Welcome American customers to visit EagerLED. We are very honored to have the opportunity to show you our LED screen showroom and LED screen aging workshop. In the LED screen exhibition hall, you will see our latest product series, including high definition, high brightness and multifunctional LED displays. Whether it's outdoor advertising, indoor displays or stage performances, we have a solution to suit your needs. Afterwards, we will take you to visit the LED screen aging workshop. This is one of the important aspects of our quality assurance. In the aging workshop, we will simulate various working environments and let the LED screen run for a long time to ensure its stability and reliability. This step ensures that our products perform well in a variety of application scenarios, providing customers with the best experience and value. Our team will patiently answer any questions you may have and share our technology and industry insights with you. We look forward to sharing this exciting experience with you and hope to provide you with excellent service and products.